Given we have a set A and set B, the Cartesian product of these sets is defined as the set of ordered pairs with the first element from A and the second element from set B. So for example, if set A had the following elements and set B had the following elements, then the Cartesian product gives the set of ordered pairs A1, B1, A1, B2, A2, B1, and A2, B2. So we end up with a set of ordered pairs with the first element from A and the second element from B. So from the multiplication rule, the size of the resulting set from the Cartesian product is equal to the size of A multiplied by the size of B. So essentially we're choosing two elements from set A and then two elements from set B. So by the multiplication rule, we have 4 ordered pairs in our resulting set, which we can see over here.